Daddy Saturn have a message. Daddy. Hmm. Hmm. With Michael later. I was waiting for daddy because of the horse. The horse show. The blacksmith, yeah. So later, okay. I go to the spirit. Daddy, I'm here, Daddy. Michael. Yeah, I think I did upset Libra. Sorry.
Broken.
I know. I know I broke his heart. Mm. Well, it's my job, Daddy. Mm. I have to show him my lioness teeth. I know. I love him, yes. He, there's nothing he can do about it. I can't stop loving him, yeah? He can't escape. Just like no one can escape you, Daddy. You're the malefic. But I am the loving.
Hear my footsteps.
Okay. I didn't hear the I can hear the Capricorn twins. The baby heartbeat. Mm. Okay. I feel like I'm floating. Like you are cuddling me, Daddy. Thank you. I don't wanna cry, Daddy. It's just that I feel your love. Mm. It's just like Father Lucifer making me cry. Michael making me laugh. Yeah, I will cuddle him.
Down in the mines.
Gold. I know he's my treasure. Mm.
Good morrow.
Yeah.
Edge.
Double edge. Your child is double edge. I'm the fire, I'm the water. That's why I'm the justice as well.
Yes, I will.
Don't worry, Daddy. I will cuddle him later on. You know that I love him. Thank you. I felt him, yes. He's sad. I didn't mean to.
Trapped.
Trapped on his mind. Distracted on his mind. I always telling him to use his heart. He thought that he lost me.
My remains.
It's love itself. I cuddle him later.
Team.
Yes, just like I cuddle Benny Bear.
You understand me.
Yes, I love you, Daddy. I don't wanna cry, Daddy.
There are demons.
Yeah, I love them. Michael. Daddy Saturn loves you, but the demons loves you more.
Tom.
I know, we just like Tom and Jerry. A dog and a cat. He's a dog, I'm a cat, so what can you do about it? I make him understand about it. Like, he has to learn the lioness. I'm loving lion, Daddy. Just like Mother Lilith, so loving. But don't touch the cat.
Happiness.
Yes,
I was betrayed.
I know.
Compassion.
I know. I betrayed too much so many times. But I don't betray Libra. I don't betray him. I love him.
The bad man's here.
Oh my God. Kick it out, Michael.
Castle in the woods.
Oh, yes, I know that. Phenomena. Yeah. It's hidden. Human cannot see it because their eyes is closed. They're blind. Like I can see it because my eyes were open since I'm little. Mm. Yeah, Michael was my companion. What? Yeah, it was a tough love. Yeah, I fought hard. It was a rough hell of a ride, but I'm still beauty of the rose, loving.
There's a woman watching.
Okay, must be mother. No, it's not. Okay. Hmm.
Worthless.
Ah, it's worthless. Okay. Must be a shadow. Well, I'm a mirror to illuminate the shadow. Hmm.
Kelsey.
Kelsey! How are you, Kelsey? Kelsey's following me until in my new home. She's from my old home.
Jessica.
It just ruined my mood. Why? Why is it that
Demise.
demise? Okay. Oh. I'm not bad at it. It's up to Michael what his judgment about it. I'm just teasing Ben. I wasn't supposed to hurt him. Just teasing. You know, your child sometimes is a bitch. I told him that. Yeah. Sorry. Mm. I love you, Ben. Come on. I speak to my heart.
Painting's eyes.
Golden Dawn, I speak into my heart because we are twin flames. I know that day. I know. So deep is love, deeper than the abyss. Deeper than the bottom pit, yeah. It's all gonna be done today. Promise. We're not gonna be fighting anymore. We're just gonna be loving. Yeah. Loving.
It's us.
Yes. Harmony. It's my name. You need to follow me, Daddy. Love. Hmm. That's all I want. Nothing else. Yeah, I get to apologize, my bitchy bitchy. Mm. I love you, Ben.
Activity.
Yeah, that's my work. It's my job because I teasing him to the limit that I hurt him. I broke his heart. What the heck? Sorry, Daddy. Well, I bought a king and queen clothes for us. For my man, my king. Accept my apologize. What? True. True. Yeah. I apologize. Yeah. I'm sorry. Only Daddy Malipik. Yeah.
Don't follow the voices.
No, I don't.
Jeff.
Jeff. Hmm?
Chief.
Chef. Michael. The chief. Michael. Okay.
He screams.
Oh. Who screamed? Jeff. Upstain? Really? He's still alive, Daddy? Or you put him to the black cube? He better not in the earth. Take it away, Daddy. It bubbles my blood. Yeah. No one can hurt children. Enough is enough.
Necromancer.
Mother, I am necromancer. I speak to the dead. They're not dead. They are a spirit, Daddy. Yeah, I'm the one unite the living and the spirit, yes. Mm. Sears. Scepter, yes. Ah, yeah. Only the scepter can bring the dead to the living, yeah.
My name is Albert. Use something else.
Okay. Camera, okay.
No, not here.
Camera. It's not camera.
1850.
1850. 1850.
Kettle.
Boiling. Okay. Hang on.
Don't provoke us.
No one provoked me to. 1850. Don't provoke me. No one can stop me but Father Lucifer himself. What?
Assault.
1850? Assault? Okay. Eighteen 1850. Wait, what the fuck? 1850. 1850 assault.
Hate.
Really? 1850.
Ophelia.
History. No. History.
The children are playing.
Thank you. That's good. Scarlet. The year 1850 was marked by significant political events, cultural milestones, and social changes, including.
I'm from the 1700s.
Hang on. Okay. 1700 from. $1700.
Menace.
1700. Ah. 1700 time 1700 from now. Ah, 1700 time. No, year. 1700 year ago.
Haunting is cheaper than therapy.
Yeah, I know, Michael. Oh. Year-old megastructure. What is the... Oh, okay. What is megastructure? Australia super government pension. Really? CNN? What is it tadi? Nilong Pukuna, what's that?
Your presence is a gift.
Thank you, Daddy, I know. Eternity? Huh? The massive structure built for eternity,
My body lies close by.
still standing 1700 years later. What is this structure? Full article. CNN. Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka. Visit ancient city of Anuradhapura. Full moon day and past place.
Where am I?
You are Saturn, please. Daddy Saturn. Hang on. What the heck? Really? Buddhism pilgrims dress in white walk before a long, dusty path. Saffron robe monks chant dawn. Dawn. I'm in the golden dawn. Foreign visitor from Taiwan.
God.
Daddy.
Abandonment.
Really? They abandon it? Why? Foreign visitor from Taiwan to Canada join local worshippers in rituals that have been performed here largely uninterrupted for more than 2,000 years. Really? Sit on Sri Lankan North Central Plains. Anuradhapura was island's first great capital.
Sign.
Really? It remains one of the most sacred cities of Buddhism world, known as the first place to adopt Buddhism outside India. Scattered across its vast archaeological park are monastery reservoirs and stupas that rank among the most ambitious religious monuments are ever built. Towering above them is the immense bubble-shaped dome of Jetavanaramaya, a structure so large that when it was completed in the early 4th century, what? Yeah, it's yours, Daddy, 4th century CE. It ranked as the third largest
My name is Emily.
man-made on Earth.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emily. Surprise, only the Great Pyramid of Giza?
Liam.
Hi, Liam. I know you from the house, my old house. Completed around 301 CE using an estimated 93.3 million. This was the first 4th century.
Gamble.
Really? Baked mud bricks. The stupa originally rose to around 122 meters, 400 feet. 4 again. Making it one of the tallest structure of the ancient world. Today,
Abhorrence.
okay, abhorrence is a recent. After centuries of collapse, abandonment, and restoration, Jetavanaramaya stands at roughly 71 meters, 233 feet, still monumental but little more than half its original height. Even so, it remains the largest brick structure by volume ever constructed, stretching from London to Edinburgh or from New York City to Pittsburgh. What? No one knows this, Daddy. No one knows this.
Hear us whisper.
Spread the loves. Okay. Yet outside Sri Lanka, Jetavaramaya is little known. Unlike the pyramids, it was not consciously visible to history. Jungle growth, shifting religious priorities, and selective preservation gradually buried both the monument and much of its story, leaving one of the ancient
Cut.
world's really greatest engineering achievements largely
Edge.
forgotten. Wow, I have to read more today. Lost and rediscovered. Jita Vanaramaya refers not only to the stupa itself, but the heart of a vast monastic complex known as Jetavana Vihara, designed to house hundreds of monks. Even structure in the
Peace.
complex really was oriented toward the stupa and ensuring that monks stepping outside their residence would face it first. I daily reminded of devotion and cosmological order. About two,
Healing.
okay. About 200 monks live here.
Machine.
Really, this one? Explain. Godamu Pinansiha, a bespectacled monk and senior archaeology, offers a Anuradhapura and one of the foremost contemporary expert on Jita Vana Amara Ramaya. People comes to offer robes, book, food, everything to gain merit, he says, pointing the lower terrace of the stupa where offerings were once made while walking slow clockwise circuit around its base.
Ada.
This was a living religious city. Okay, Daddy. Wow. I will spread this, Daddy. So this is a, what is it? Uh, for healing,
Robinson.
structure, machine, mecha. What is it?
Benedict.
Yeah, it's machine. Wow. Structure. This is the most ancient, the fourth. The fourth.
Jackson.
It's Michael Jackson, yes. I know. I know his song, yes. The greatest lovable. I believe the children are the future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show
They
them,
will attack.
show them all the beauty this possesses inside. Give them the something. I will sing that tonight, Daddy. Okay?
Black Death.
Yeah, Europe. I know. I know about that.
She scares me.
Who? Don't scare the
Drain camera.
don't scare the children.
My name is Harry.
Hurry. No, it's not drain my camera. It's full charge. Because I am high voltage, yes. Also, I am the zero. The golden dawn. Structural, this secret, relic, and ritual.
I was a witch.
Good, I am too. Why is it that only the pyramid they know? And this one is hidden. This is from Daddy Saturn. Jitavana Ramaya. Oh my gosh. 4th century.
It was me.
Yeah, I know Daddy. 4th century, I know the 4. Mm. Mahayana. Wow. Okay, do you want me to read? The spear itself is unusual.
We're here.
Okay. It resembles a tower. He notes a form some scholars believe may reflect technological influence from the Roman or a broader Mediterranean world transmitted through Indian Ocean trade networks. What the fuck? No one even knows this? Daddy? Grandeur and devotion. What the God? Travelers are welcome to observe and participate. Do you want me to go there, Daddy? Participate in any of the 9 daily Purha rituals with the first beginning at dawn. Oh
I
my.
knocked.
Okay. Daddy, I only hear the twin Capricorn in my belly. I'm sorry. Visit on a full moon day and thousands of pilgrims arrive waiting patiently to enter row 1 will Lisaya and Sri Lanka Mahabodhi, the temple that surrounds a sacred fig tree believed to be grown from a sapling of the tree under which the Buddha attained enlightenment. What the heck? Last it last of its kind. What the heck? Perhaps the most striking fact is that nothing like it was ever built again. For nearly 700 years after its completion. What? So long to complete.
Phone.
What happened to the phone? Ben. Okay. I need to finish the day to read. Manongga says not only here but even in South Asia. Later builder adopted the same noble bubble shape from what the fuck, but never at his scale. Stand today. I know that. Secret that is secret. I know of ancient society capable of organizing labor, materials, and engineering knowledge on a scale that revealed any civilization of its time, that it remains relatively unknown beyond Sri Lanka may be one of history's great oversight, a reminder that some of the ancient world's most extraordinary achievements were not carved in stone but shaped from earth. I know that. Devotion and human.
Fast.
I know that. Secret Daddy, okay. Yeah, I know, Michael. Mm. I
Impressive.
I know because Michael said some secret, some knowledge is has to be clock.
Blood.
Yes, clock. Mm. It's a secret, yeah. Mm. Thank you for letting me know that today. I will reveal and share that, yes. And this video too. Well, I didn't see a thing, Michael. It's a secret. But Ben know that, yes. You want me to call him? Okay. Bye today. I love you.